Reuse of content is how you work more efficiently in Paligo. It's Paligo's way of helping you achieve your single sourcing goals. Why author your content more than once when you can simply reuse it? This also future-proofs your content so that it's always up to date across Paligo whenever the reused content is changed. Let's start with reusing simple elements. If you have a paragraph that you want to use in another topic, Paligo makes this easy. Simply copy the element, and then insert it somewhere else using the breadcrumb menu. The chain icon next to the element indicates that it's been reused within your content. If you want to know all the places where content is reused, you can do that by viewing the usage information for that element. This lists all the places the ID for that element is referenced. Notes and warnings, or admonitions, are good examples of reusing an element across multiple topics. Let's say you have a note that you use repeatedly in your content. Instead of manually creating that admonition every time you need it, or even copying and pasting it, you can simply reuse the exact element in another topic. To do this, you can convert the admonition you previously authored to a reusable component through the element context menu. Then it's just a matter of inserting the admonition component into another topic. If you ever need to change what the note says, simply edit that component. And then it'll change in every topic that the admonition appears. You can even reuse topics within topics. This can be helpful when you want to reuse larger chunks of content outside of individual elements. Informal topics are perfect for this purpose. These are simply topics that don't have a heading. Variables and profiling are also a key feature with reuse. Variables allow you to swap out small parts of content for different publications. These are useful when you have topics that you want to reuse, but need to have parts of the text changed, such as product names. Profiling, also known as filtering or conditional content, lets you include or exclude content depending on certain conditions. For example, you can set an element to be included in your topic if one of your intended audiences has a certain feature of your product, but excluded if another audience does not have that feature. From a publication structure standpoint, you could reuse topics across multiple publications. Instead of creating identical topics for each publication, simply click and drag the topics into multiple publications. Taking things a step further, you can even reuse publications within publications. For example, if you have a series of user guides, you can publish them all as one combined output by adding them to a single publication. The structure of the super publication will reference the structure of the sub-publications. These powerful reuse features enable your team to leverage your content by working smarter and not harder. When you're able to finish your content faster, you're able to publish faster, getting your content into the hands of your audience sooner.